What's going on, guys? So today's video we have the world's first shaker bottle with a speaker made by Bumpboxx and iceshaker collaboration. This is an $80 shaker. We're gonna see if it's worth it compared to the traditional $8 that you can get on Amazon or Target or Walmart. Now this is like a stainless steel version, so you can not only put just protein shakes in here, you could put your cold drinks and beverages, even hot drinks in here like tea and stuff, and keep it warm for a certain amount of time and cold for a certain amount of time. So we're gonna see if this is well worth the $80 investment. And we also have two, so we're gonna be TWS pairing it and show you the quality on this as well. Now, obviously the big difference is the speaker here on the bottom. It is removable, so if you don't decide to use it, you can easily screw it off, move it to somewhere, and then you can have 360-degree sound, because this does have 360-degree audio. So that's the iceshaker and Bumpboxx speaker collaboration. It charges through USB Type-C. It's easily removable. It has LEDs. You can easily change music, volume up and down. And like I said before, you can have two of these paired at the same time to one single device, and you can have even better music. So if you have a friend that's nearby or something, TWS pair it. It's super simple, and I'll show you how to do that in this video. All right, so first we're gonna go through the packaging and we're gonna show you all the contents inside. Firstly, when you unbox these two, they are in a nice package. They do have all the information and everything else like that on the outside. Very nice, vibrant, colorful box, and it shows you the play time, the charge time. It has IPX water resistance on the speaker itself. Do not put it in the dishwasher. There's only some parts that can be washed through the dishwasher, and I'll get into that as well. Double insulated stainless steel right here, so it's able to keep it cold and warm whenever you need to. For this little cap here, which can hold supplements or hold protein shake, some more little powder in there. You can screw it here on the bottom, just like that, very easily. Now this is the 20-ounce version. I don't know if they have any other sizes, but we do have the 20-ounce version here as well. When you screw off the top, it does have a nice rubber ring around it, so it's easy to actually grip and take off. And then you are greeted with the patented agitator. This alone makes this $8 out of the water. Like, when you're shaking this, you're making so much noise, and it's just bad. It's overall bad. This is a patented agitator. It does the same thing. It actually makes it quicker. I've noticed it breaks everything down very quick, and it's removable. So you throw this in the dishwasher and you throw this in the dishwasher, it'll immediately clean, and you can twist it back on if you need to. And I will make some protein shake here on camera live. On the inside of these, you do have fill lines, so you have ounces and milliliters, so you're able to see what you need to be at. So 5 ounces, 10 ounces, 15 ounces. And of course, if you fill it all the way to the top, then it's gonna be 20 ounces. Very quick. We already have some water in here, so we're gonna go ahead and make some protein shake. And then the speaker just adds a bonus. So you just add your own protein shake, twist this here. Make sure the little cap here is fully pressed down. And then, look how quiet this is. There's no metal ball or anything. I'm just gonna give it a quick shake. And especially if you're in public, you know, people don't like you to hear that noise constantly. Use this bottle, run with the bottle, and then you can also play music. We're gonna go to show you how to pair it up for the first time. So if you needed to pair one single device, just turn it on. It'll go into Bluetooth mode, pair it like that. So first you're gonna go to turn on both units. Press the power button on one unit to enter TWS mode. TWS. Make sure you wait until you hear the indicator before moving on to the next step. Now go to your Bluetooth settings, connect to bumpshaker, and you're good to go. Anything you do on one unit will automatically be synced to the second unit. So if you change volume, turn on and off the lights, you'll be good to go. Wow, the 360, bro.
She said she don't wanna leave, ain't even playing for keeps. Oh yeah. Can't nobody tell me what I can do. Got a petty aces that life hands you. Feeling like my body understands you. Maybe we could take this all away. Spend another day chilling, making layups. If you're feeling down, well, there's a way up. All about that bread, I got my cake up. Maybe I just need another taste. Another way to sway. Maybe I can feel like my life is.
And for the bass test slash beats, I'm gonna show you this one. I like this music as well. It's about 60%, 90%. The idea is there. This is the world's first speaker shaker bottle. Very, very nice. Or this speaker bottle in general in the link in the description. I do have an affiliate link, so you'll save 5% extra on your order, which I think comes out to about maybe $5 to $10. Check it out, guys. I highly recommend it. You can get one or two, who knows. Obviously that's very pricey, but if you want to be the unique person in the gym, then check one of these out. Obviously there's nothing else like it. No one else will have it because it's like one of the world's first to be here.